Hey guys, this is a training video on your lead capture page and how you can redirect it to go to any page that you want. So if you have your own sales page, you want one of the Exitus lead capture pages to go to, you can do that. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So in Exitus Lead, we have high quality pages, as you can see right here. Everything about Exitus Lead is pure quality. This is an example of one of the lead capture pages. That's one of many that we have. So in order to get to any of the lead capture pages, all you got to do is go right here where it says Marketing Suite under Marketing Tools, and then you just click lead capture pages and you can get the links to all those pages here. So if you want to add those to the description of your videos if you do have a YouTube channel. But the place that you want to go is right here where it says lead capture page redirect. So in our team, we're giving out a team sales page at anyone that comes in at the G500 and above. So if you want to redirect that capture page to go to that sales page, you're just going to put the link in here, right here, and then you're just going to hit save, and then you can preview it. Now, this is actually a bridge page that I created in Exitus Lead, so I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So that's all you got to do is you just put the link right here, and then you hit save and then preview. If you just want to use one of the VSL pages, I think those are automatically the default. But you can get the links for the VSL pages right here if you want to do that as well. So that's all you got to do. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to create the bridge page. So we're going to come right here to my YouTube channel. We're going to click on one of my videos. In this video, we're going to talk about Exitus. So, and then we're going to go right here where it says share. We're going to we need the embed code so we can get our video to go into that bridge page. So all you got to do right here where it says embedded, click on that. And this whole code right here, you just want to copy and paste it. So either Control C to copy, and then we're going to come back here to the bridge page, and we're going to hit Control V to paste it into this first step right here. So this is how your video is going to get coded into the bridge page. And then what we're going to do next is the next two steps are optional. You can choose to do that if you want. So right here I have a headline to the page. Excuse me, guys. Been a long day. So you're going to put the headline right here if you want it, and then you can also put extra information down here. If you want to put your phone number down there for people to contact you, you can do that. And then for step 4, that's where you're going to put the sales page or whatever link that you want to put down here in step 4. And then right here, I already have it activated. You want to turn on your bridge page. And then you're going to hit save right here. And then you can preview the page right here. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to give you an example of what a video for you're going to want right here. Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome. I just wanted to shoot this quick video just to introduce myself. I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2012, and out of all the opportunities that I have done over those years, I believe this one is the best all-around platform because it comes with all the training, all the resources, all the support that you'll ever need to find success online. And also, when you join my team, you're going to get some additional bonus training as well. And this opportunity is just simply amazing. We have the ability to make between $100 to $2,000 instant commission. So that's basically an example. Just make a short video introducing yourself, telling people what you love about this business and everything that you give out. Like we can all give out the team bonus training. You can mention that in there. Just make a short video. This is only like 2 minutes long. It doesn't have to be really long. Just telling people what you love about this business and everything like that. And then right down here at the bottom, we're going to click the continue button. And I have it right at the team page right here. So that's how you can redirect your page to go to any link that you want it to go to. So that's how you can set up your lead capture pages. So if you don't have a page builder like Power Lead System or something like that, if you just want to use the lead capture pages in Exitus Lead, which are all really good and very good, high quality, it does have a autoresponder built into the pages. So yeah, so that's how you set everything up. If you have any questions, comment below. Also, all my contact information is in the description below. If you are interested in Exitus Lead, I will have my latest video at the end of this video that you can watch. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.